Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised I'm back to show you guys how I use my DIY Kaolin clay to do a clay wash. So first off, I'm going to show you guys how I mix the clay mask. By the way, if you missed my previous video on how I made this clay powder, this Kaolin clay powder, you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, you can go watch that video before you continue to watch this if you wish. So when it comes to the liquid I'm going to mix it with, I'm using purified water with a pH of 5. With Kaolin clay, you want to make sure that the pH is more on the acidic side. So yeah, you can use from between 4.5 to 5. That's safe because a higher pH would decrease the positive charge of the Kaolin clay. So you want to make sure that your water or whatever liquid you're using is more on the acidic side. Also, when it comes to mixing the clay with water, you want to make sure you're using a non-metal bowl and also a non-metal mixing tool. That's why you see me switch to a plastic spoon. When I was measuring the clay out, I used a metal spoon. It doesn't matter because there was no water involved. The reason you're not supposed to use metal tools to mix the clay is because the clay is going to absorb the heavy metals from the metal bowl and spoon, and that's going to weaken the power of the clay by the time you use it. So yeah, I went ahead and added some more clay because I realized that that was not going to be enough for my hair. Next, I added a tablespoon of aloe vera gel just to keep my hair moisturized because sometimes clays can be very drying. So yeah. Next, I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil into my clay. Olive oil has tons of benefits, which I've mentioned them in my previous videos. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little quantity into the clay and then mix it up. And the last but not the least thing that I'm going to add into the clay is castor oil. You all know the benefits of castor oil for hair growth and all of that. Castor oil is very amazing for our hair, so I'll go ahead and add a little bit into my clay and then mix them all up together. So now it's time to apply the clay mask to my hair. So yeah, clay mask helps to get rid of product buildup from your scalp, like it deeply cleanses your pores. So if you have issues with product buildup, you want to make sure that you do a clay wash once in a while. So I begin by applying it to my scalp. Yeah, that's the targeted area. I need to get rid of all the product buildup. So I apply to my scalp and then move to the length of my hair. When I'm done applying the clay, I'll just put my hair into 2 twists and let it dry so that it can absorb the dead or the product buildup from my scalp. After about 2 hours, I washed off the clay and this is how my hair looks. It feels so soft and moisturized. It's not drying at all, like my hair feels really soft. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're going to give this a try, let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.